Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent my newest helper, this little fella. This is a robot mop that does it all. Like, you actually have a remote, you can touch it on here, and you have the Smart Life app that you can control. And I've actually had it going out and mapping my house, and it's actually mapped it by room, by color, so you can see everything, and then tell it when you want to go places or where you want it to go. It does the hardwood and the actual hardwood, and it has this nice upgraded base plate on here.
Please put the robot on a flat surface.
Oh, it doesn't like that. But it has this nice surface right here, so that way whenever it is sitting here, as you can see there's some moisture, that's not gonna hurt my wood because of this nice plate. There's your little inlet there. After it's done cleaning, it's gonna suck all the dirt right into this nice little bag right here. So that way you'll have about 30 days before you have to do any sort of cleaning out. They provide you an extra bag and little cleaners, little heads, mop things, everything all right here, along with your setup guide, extra filter. You've got this little guy right here that's actually right here, and he's actually gonna go up underneath of cabinets and stuff to sweep in the extra mess. So that is really nice. But enough talking about it, let's show how this thing works. So, of course it has the audible noise, which is fantastic. But whenever I hit the power button, I tell it to go. It just automatically goes. It's gonna stop whenever it sees something because it has that LiDAR detection. So that is a really nice feature. Then, as you are going, let's throw some sugar out here. See if we can get it to clean some stuff up here. Whenever it goes, it does also recognize that something is there. So it's gonna go around. So if I'm standing right here, it's just gonna kind of keep turning. You can actually see it knows that this is hardwood. So you have the mop out. Let's get some sugar over here so it'll find it. Kind of want you to see how well this thing actually cleans up, because I am impressed with how well this has been doing around my house. Just cleaning it all up. And if you did have a spill of, say, some sort of a liquid or something, you know, dog makes a mess on the floor, you also will clean up water or anything else like that and put it in there and get it all nice and fresh. And then whenever it's done, it'll actually run through. It's got 8,000 kPa on here, so it will suck up a lot of debris and mess. Keep all of your water and everything all separated, so it's not gonna, you know, take the water and throw that into your nice little vacuum bag in there and mess that up. It's gonna just clean it all up real nice. Take its time doing its thing, and you don't have to do it, which is the fantastic part. Once it is all done cleaning, it will automatically know that, hey, I'm done cleaning, or the battery's done. It's gonna automatically go back to its home, clean itself up, and start recharging. And with the mop, you know, you wanna pull out the little mopping thing, which I'll show you here in a little bit, how you clean that out, and then empty out your dustbin, and you are good to go. So I'm gonna let this run around for a little bit, and then we'll show you how to clean it up. So you can actually control this exactly where you want it to go with this nice little remote here. So if I just want to get this mess, I can just control it kind of like a remote control car. So now whenever it's done, I can easily just press the home button. It will then stop cleaning and go back home. Now this does also work on carpet, which is fantastic. So if you have multiple surfaces, it's going to recognize that it's carpet, not get it all wet. And it also has it'll recognize if there's stairs. So if you have stairs, it's not just gonna fall off. It's just gonna stop and map it that, hey, this is a no zone. Let's don't go there. And make sure that it doesn't just tumble on down your stairs. All right, so to clean it out, this is the bottom of your machine here. You've got this nice little brush here, which, I mean, it looks like we got some hair in there, but it didn't tangle all up. It just kind of wrapped around there. You can easily pull that out. This can come off as well and get washed up. You actually just pull this part out, right through here. You grab those two things, you get that. Right here is your water inlet. Press down on this little green thing, and this comes out, and you can easily clean it in and out. But this is a really nice machine that really does do it all. I'm gonna really appreciate not having to mop and vacuum and everything, and we'll just let this little guy do the work.